Hi friends, when I was diagnosed with restrictive lung disease from my CMT and diaphragm weakness, it's probably the most out of control I have ever felt because it's one thing to lose function in your hands or in your feet, but like the stuff in here just feels particularly important. And I hadn't heard of anything that could help with that. Anything. Until I found a respiratory consultant here in the UK who told me about a machine called the Cough Assist. And oh my goodness, everyone with CMT who has any reason to think they have breathing weakness needs to know that this machine exists. Basically, the machine helps you take deep breaths and fully inflate your lungs. And this is important because if you have diaphragm weakness, you're not able to take a deep breath and get air into those deepest tissues of your lungs. And if those tissues aren't getting air, they over time will close off and not be able to let air in. Which means that over time, you lose lung capacity. And breathing just gets tougher and tougher. So after this machine gives you those positive pressure, deep breaths to get that air, it helps you force out a really strong cough. If you have a weak diaphragm, it can be hard for you to get a proper cough out. And this is particularly dangerous if you ever get a cold. I've gotten a few colds, and they can turn into chest infections and pneumonias because I'm not able to get that phlegm out. And this machine solves that problem. I have actually never gotten a chest infection in 3 years since getting on this machine. But I use it even when I don't have a cold. I use this machine literally every morning because that cough every day can help just to get normal day-to-day debris out of my lungs that I'm not normally able to clear. And that too is going to help prevent me from getting a chest infection in the first place. So that's my PSA today. I just need you to know that this exists. And I will link to a past video about how to identify if you have breathing-related weakness of CMT. So please look for that below. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.